Airplane wing design is one of the most important parts of aircraft engineering because wings create lift, which allows an airplane to fly. The main purpose of an airplane wing is to generate lift. As air flows over and under the wing, a pressure difference is created. Air moves faster over the curved top surface, lowering pressure, while slower air below creates higher pressure. This pressure difference pushes the airplane upward. This is lift. The airfoil is the cross-section shape of the wing. Key parts: leading edge, front of the wing; trailing edge, back of the wing; camber, curve of the wing; thickness affects strength and drag. More camber equals more lift, but more drag. When viewed from above, wings come in different shapes called planforms. Rectangular wings are simple and stable, perfect for training and RC aircraft. Tapered wings reduce drag and improve efficiency, commonly used in airliners. Delta wings are used in fighter jets for high-speed performance. Aspect ratio is the ratio of wingspan to wing width. High aspect ratio wings are long and thin, producing less drag, ideal for gliders. Low aspect ratio wings are short and wide, making aircraft more maneuverable. Wing angle and position. Angle of attack. Angle between wing and airflow. Too high angle of attack results stall. Wing placement. High wing, stable, good visibility, cargo, trainers. Mid-wing, balance performance. Low wing, high speed, sporty, airliners. Control surfaces on wings. Ailerons, roll control. Flaps, increase lift during takeoff and landing. Slats, delay stall at low speeds. Spoilers, reduce lift, help braking. Inside the wing are spars, ribs, and skin. These components provide strength while keeping the wing lightweight. Modern aircraft use aluminum alloys and carbon fiber composites for durability and efficiency. Winglets are vertical tips at the end of wings. They reduce wingtip vortices, improve fuel efficiency, and increase range. Airplane wing design is a perfect mix of aerodynamics, strength, and efficiency. Every curve, angle, and component plays a role in keeping aircraft safely in the air. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with fellow aviation lovers. Comment below what aviation topic you want next: RC planes, jet engines, or flight physics. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.